Hello everyone, welcome to another Load Up Crypto update here. In this video I'd like to talk about which coins I'm currently accumulating and what I'm looking for in this current bear market, because there are thousands of coins. Reality is a lot of them are meaningless, a lot of them will probably die, and in a bear market usually a lot of altcoins die, which doesn't mean they have to necessarily go to zero, but it can mean that they will just over the years, people lose interest and they make lower highs, and until they at some point fade into meaninglessness. Okay, so at the moment, because there is, we are sort of at a cycle bottom or very, very close, some coins have lost already a lot in value. I mean, all of them have lost a lot in value, but some have literally lost like 89 to 99%. So these coins, oftentimes the lower market cap coins, are nothing I'm currently interested in, because you need to imagine if a coin loses too much in value, then there is a significant risk that that coin will, possibly go to zero at some point. It has to do with market sentiment. People are just purely not interested into coins that, let's say a coin cost once $450 and it's come down to $2. I mean, would you invest in it? Some people would possibly, but how realistic is it? Do you know how much money you need to push that coin back to an all-time high? It's very difficult. So I'm focusing at the moment, and I believe in a bear market, this is a good strategy in terms of accumulating long-term, not short-term trading, but accumulating long-term, dollar cost averaging in. I'm focusing mainly here on the top 10. Yeah, there's a few other cryptos that I focus on as well. Mainly the top 10, not all of them, but mainly Bitcoin, of course. I think Bitcoin should be in every crypto portfolio. It is sort of the market leader, we all know, and it's the most stable one, and in percent it has also lost the least of its value compared to many other cryptos. Then Ethereum, that is obviously also important, top, the key ecosystem crypto. There are others that are copying Ethereum or doing something very similar. Do we really need them all? I don't know, but Ethereum should be in my portfolio at least, and this is one that I also find quite safe, especially considering what is coming up in terms of the Ethereum merge, all the improvements in the ecosystem, which should have a positive impact on the price long term. Then I focus on BNB. I always try to have one exchange crypto in my portfolio. Of course, there are others like KuCoin, like Crypto.com, but BNB for me, it is the main one. It is the one that is in the top 10, and for me the most stable one. Then I'm focusing on Cardano, ADA. It is also one of the key ecosystems, which is sort of a quiet one, but they get their stuff done. The blockchain didn't have to be, let's say, rebooted, restarted. No problems there. They just have a scientific approach. I like their approach. A little bit on Sol, not too much though. They have rushed quite a lot. As a result, there are a few issues in terms of instabilities. Good project, major project, top 10 crypto. Wouldn't focus too much on it, but I add some of it to my portfolio. Polkadot, I think, can have a good comeback when prices are going up. And these are sort of the main ones that I currently focus on. I think Polygon Matic, currently performing really well, is also one that I'm focusing on. And let's take a look. Chainlink is also another one that I find attractive. Also one of the higher market cap cryptos. Near Protocol I find quite attractive. Again, an altcoin that I wouldn't put too much. All these altcoins, I try not to put too much weight on them in my portfolio. And also I don't try to focus on too many altcoins, because at some point you're losing the overview. You want to still be able to manage it. And a lot of people are asking for, what is the coin that will perform best in the next bull run? Well, I wouldn't focus necessarily on that, because there could always be an event like with Terra Luna where it basically went to near zero. So you never know. If you focus on one particular coin, you put all your savings in it, or at least all your investment money into it, I wouldn't do it. I would try to diversify. I mean, you can diversify to a certain degree in crypto, but when if you can, you should do it. That is my view, and that's at least what I'm doing. And then I'm focusing on the sandbox, not necessarily Mana. I like more the sandbox, so I'm putting some of it. It's obviously a metaverse crypto. I think metaverse will have a great comeback as well. And these are sort of the key cryptos I'm focusing on. And this is how I try to diversify, having Bitcoin, Ethereum, then a couple of ecosystem cryptos, then a metaverse crypto, and an exchange token. I think that is how you can diversify into crypto. And that is sort of my strategy at the moment, just dollar cost averaging into the higher market cap cryptos in the bear market. And at the moment, smaller market cap cryptos are high risk. I mean, all of it, crypto generally is higher risk, but the smaller market cap coins, definitely, we've seen now various examples where the prices have gone to near zero of various altcoins. And that is what usually happens in a bear market. Yeah, some of them won't survive the bear market. Okay, that's my strategy here at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you if you really like the content, then tune in the next time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.